Hello everyone. When we are making a model, if the side structure of the model has chamfers, when we insert a face on its top surface, this kind of interpenetration phenomenon will easily occur. How can we correct this interpenetration phenomenon, corrected to normal structural lines? Let's do a demonstration. Switch to solid mode. Shift 8 to create a cube. Switch to edit mode, and simply adjust its structure. Alt-C, translucent display. Select this set of edges. Ctrl-B to chamfer it. Scroll the middle to set the subdivision of the chamfer. OK. Switch to 3. Select the upper face. Now let's make an inset face. Inset face. The faces overlap and cross. Now let's solve it. How to regularize it? Alt-C to restore normal display. These overlapping surfaces. The region inside is a polygon. There are 4 points. The regions inside form a polygon. Based on these 4 points, and scale the corresponding error points to correct it. First, change the axis to a 3D cursor, which is the straight point by default. Then, we can switch to an orthogonal view. To adjust it, let's switch to the top view. Find a point on it. Press Shift and the right mouse button to move the cursor here. Now click the 1 key to switch to the dot mode. Select these overlapping points. Now the cursor is here. Our transform pi of axis. The 3D cursor selected here, so when scaling, it will scale around this point. This way we can correct it. The next point to correct. This corner, Shift key plus right mouse cursor to move here. Then, select the overlapping points. Increase choice. And this point, be careful when selecting. Try it. S key. Hey, that's right. No problem. Okay, it's corrected. Next point. Find this point. Click the right mouse button with Shift. Select the wrong point, S key. Zoom out and zoom in. Here, Shift and right click. Select these points. S key. Okay, everyone, go and try it.